genetics and genomics of trichoderma has helped in mining of trichoderma genomes for novel genes and gene products for use in agriculture. The novel technology developed by Dr. Mukherjee for commercial mass cultivation of trichoderma will replace the expensive food grains with low-cost, non-food tamarind seeds. His ultra-low-cost mass multiplication technology for trichoderma is patented, which has already been procured by 3 private companies engaged in commercial production of trichoderma. Dr. P.K. Mukherjee of BARC, Mumbai. We move on to the area of biological sciences and technology for the year 2014, and the award goes to Dr. Professor Pradeep Ratilal Vavia, Professor of Pharmaceutics, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Dr. Pradeep Ratilal Vavia and his group is working in the area of novel drug delivery systems for cancer treatment with a focus on development of indigenous technology which is affordable to Indian population. Dr. Vavia has contributed in developing the novel drug delivery systems by synthesizing novel polymers and excipients to target drug delivery in cancer treatment in collaboration with Indian as well as foreign companies, some of which have been converted into commercial products. Professor Dr. Pradeep Vavia. We move on to next, chemical sciences for the year 2014. And the award goes to Dr. V.V. Ranade, Deputy Director and Chairman, Chemical Engineering Division, National Chemical Laboratories, Pune. Dr. V.V. Ranade has made significant contribution in developing computational fluid dynamic based software for chemical reactor engineering application as per industry needs. Dr. Ranade and his group at NCL worked with large number of industries operating in various sectors and has made contribution to improve their productivity. He has also developed key software as well as hardware products for the same. The work and results have been implemented in practice and have resulted in several jobs as well as significant economic benefits. Dr. Vivek V. Ranade of NCL Pune. This award is also shared and in the area of chemical sciences and technology, and the second award winner in this category is Dr. R. Natarajan, Director, Reprocessing Group, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakam. Dr. R. Natarajan and his colleagues at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakam, has developed fast reactor spent reprocessing technology. Dr. R. Natarajan has contributed to the development of equipments for purification and separation of uranium and plutonium. He has contributed significantly in the design and development of process equipments for Indian fast breeder reactor fuel reprocessing. Dr. R. Natarajan, IG CAR, Kalpakam. The next award goes to, in the category of electrical and electronic sciences and technology for the year 2014, goes to Dr. C.S. Rao, President of Reliance Communications Limited, Bangalore. Dr. C.S. Rao has contributed in the development of indigenous digital switching system, first indigenous VHF SRS and CDMA network for Indian Army, Indian Navy, Maritime, telecom equipment design, first ever international gateway DXC network across 8 international gateways in VSNL network, ILD NLD class 4 NGN or 1 mil, and this has been given or practiced by 1 million subscriber capacity. Design and delivery of most advanced radio network controller suite for 3G, UMTS, and setting up first Indian optical network manufacturing facility in India. The contribution of Dr. Rao has helped the country to progress and achieve greater self-reliance in the telecom sector. Dr. C.S. Rao, of President, Reliance Communications Limited, Bangalore. The next award in the category of Environmental Sciences and Technology. This award for year 2014 goes to Professor Virendra Sethi, Professor, Center for Environmental Sciences and Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Dr. Virendra Sethi has contributed significantly in the area of environment protection, broadly for air and water pollution, and particularly for the development of simple and low-cost gasification cleanup systems for hot producer gas from thermochemical gasification of biomass and similar application. He has also contributed in the development of air pollution source profile for six cities of Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kanpur, Delhi, and Pune for Central Pollution Control Board, and has testing protocols for gasifiers for MNRE. Professor Virendra Sethi of IIT Bombay. I also know he's an excellent and outstanding teacher. The next award for the year 2014 in the category of Information and Communication Technology. This award for the year 2014 goes to Shri Sunil Shivaji Khandbahale, founder khandbahale.com, Nasik. Shri Sunil Shivaji Khandbahale has built a technology-enabled multilingual translation platform for 23 languages in 16 domains with extensive vocabulary of over 10 million words and phrases, which is being used by 120 million users in 150 countries. He has contributed in preservation of languages and breaking language barriers across the languages. He has developed first ever search engine algorithm for Marathi, language spell checker software program, and simple to use text-based services called Dictionary on SMS. He has been instrumental in creating impact entrepreneurs by promoting innovation culture among youths. Shri Sunil Shivaji Khandbahale. The next award for the year 2014 in the area of materials and metallurgical sciences and technology goes to Dr. U. Kamachi Mudali, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakam. Dr. Mudali has employed innovative approaches to study and understand the corrosion issues of materials and coatings employed in nuclear industry and provided solutions and suggestions for Department of Atomic Energy. He has contributed significantly in the material selection, design improvement, quality fabrication, and sustained performance of components for fast breeder reactor and associated fuel cycle facilities. He has also contributed towards developing advanced materials and processes for orthopedic implants applications. Dr. Kamachi Mudali of IG Car, Kalpakam. The next award for the year 2014 in the category Materials and Metallurgical Sciences and Technology goes to Dr. V.S. Raja, Institute Chair and Professor, Department of Metallurgical Engineering and Material Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Dr. V.S. Raja has contributed significantly in the development of method for polyethylene eco-coating, localized corrosion resistant for type 316L stainless steel for body implants, novel hot dip galvanizing coating which have been benefited Indian industries. His work on stress corrosion cracking mechanism for life assessment and performance of various components of gas turbine engines used in naval ships and fighter aircrafts is being used by the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, DRDO. Dr. V.S. Raja, IIT, Bombay. The next award in the area of mechanical and structural sciences for the year 2014 is shared by a team of 3 people. May I request all the 3, Dr. Vasudevan, Shri Radhakrishnan, and Shri Chandran to come on the dais. Thank you. Shri Vasudevan Unni, who is a team leader, jointly with his team members Shri G. Radhakrishnan and Shri K.M. Chandran at Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Trivandrum, has developed totally indigenous design, a realization of 250 kilonewton capacity electrodynamic shaker slip table system for environmental vibration testing of launch vehicle sub-assemblies. They developed the technologies from scratch for which published literature are not available. The overall cost of the indigenous system is nearly 2/3 of a similar imported system, which is saving in terms of foreign exchange now as well as in future for maintaining the system. Congratulations to the team of Mr. Vasudevan, Radhakrishnan, and Mr. Chandran. The last award in the year 2014, Srimati Chandaben Mohanbai Patel Industrial Research Award for Women Scientists for the year 2014 goes to Dr. Beena Rai, Principal Scientist, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Research and Development Center, Pune. Dr. Beena Rai and her team has developed novel reagent combinations for processing of alumina-rich iron ore slimes and for dolomite flotation separation. Dr. Beena Rai has contributed significantly in the development of molecular modeling approach for design and development of engine oil formulations, novel coatings with improved properties for metallic surgical blades used in medical devices, novel products from hazardous waste, and improved additives for titanium oxide-based paints. These solutions are successfully delivered to several industrial establishments, leading to tangible benefits. Dr. Beena Rai. That is the end of the award ceremony. I would like to thank Honorable Minister Mohan Bhai, Professor Sharma, who stood for such a long time and awarding. And thank you all for celebrating and clapping and keeping the enthusiasm of the awardees. Thank you very much.